Hey guys, so I'm sorry for the background noises, sorry. I know it sucks. So I just took a shower and we are going to attend a wedding in the Gaon, which is like 5 hours, 4 hours away from my house. I know. Last night I fell sick. I got fever. I've never hated living in Delhi so much. So we are going to attend that wedding. सबसे पहले तो I'll have to change and then do some light makeup. So transition 3, 2, 1. So I've changed into this suit and now we're just going to do some light makeup. Just put it over here. Better. So first of all, I'm gonna put a moisturizer. I use this moisturizer from Minimalist. It's almost over, so it's very difficult to get this out. Sunscreen. I think I'm just scared. So I hate यहाँ पे traffic. It's almost 12 right now and we'll have to go like till 12:30. So I just have आधा घंटा to get ready fast. मुझे नेल पॉलिश भी लगानी थी यार. It's almost off my nail and I don't like आधी अधूरी सी नेल पॉलिश. एक तो I'm looking myself in camera, so I'm not able to figure out कि मेरा लगा भी है कुछ कि नहीं लगा है. I'm not doing much effort. I'm just going to like apply some itna tint only. Should I apply it on my eyes also? Yeah, sure. I also have to wait just a second. So if I'm applying blush, I'm thinking of applying this one. See, it looks better. Is it well enough? Or I've applied too much? I think I look like a joker now. For sure. But I think it's fine. It's fine. Blush cannot be over. We're done with this. Now we're going to apply my favorite kajal and mascara. I'm just afraid that this will bleed out because जो ये काजल होता है. I'm so sorry for the background noises. I'm saying noises again and again. Voices again and again and not noises. एक तो बाहर का इतना शोर, ऊपर से मेरे घर वालों का अलग शोर. मैं तो बहुत इरिटेट हो चुकी हूँ सब लोगों से कलेक्टिवली. तो चांद है धड़कता हुआ. Wow. Sometimes I just think I look like a diva, but sometimes I just feel very bad. I'm sorry. Oh God, this is such a difficult task. I love kajal. I think I should look in the mirror. Just see the difference. Just see the difference. So I'm done with everything almost. I think one thing that is left is now a good lip combo. मेरे घर वाले बहुत बातें करते हैं एंड अब मैं पहनने वाली हूँ। मैं एक कान में ऑलरेडी पहन चुकी हूँ, फिर मुझे याद आया कि मुझे तो रिकॉर्ड भी करना था, तो वो दिखाने के लिए जस्ट मैं एक कान में पहनने वाली हूँ। एक तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं दिखता है, शीशे में नहीं दिखता तो कैमरे में तो मुझे क्या ही देखेगा अलग से। Yeah, but I still managed to wear it. Oh, these are too heavy. These are too heavy. These are just too heavy. So we have reached already, and I'm already tired. I mean, it's not even. यहाँ पे भी कितना शोर क्यों है? तो अभी हम आए थे यहाँ पे अपनी ज़मीन देखने। ये सारा दिख रहा है आपको? इट्स माय ज़मीन, मेरी नहीं पर जिसकी भी है, हमारी बोला था पापा ने। मेरा गांव तो एक्चुअली गांव टाइप ही है काफ़ी। आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट, क्योंकि पापा बोलते थे कि गांव शहर हो चुका है, गांव बेटर हो चुका है। मैं तो थक गई यहाँ पे आके भी। मेरे को लगता है I'm just, it's very शांत है यार। इट्स नॉट लाइक काफ़ी वो, एंड इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर गांव, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक मैं फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं आ रही हूँ यहाँ पे, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम आई केम आई वाज रियली यंग। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट वेरी गांव वाला टाइप ही। Guys, so I'm just going to end. I have not shooted like the whole vlog because there was a lot of places where like we were actually scared because गाड़ी यहाँ का रास्ता, I'll show you. I'll add clips, or maybe I've added clips. You can see how bad it is. It's literally just a single road and it has no lights. कुछ भी नहीं है रास्ते में भी, तो फट के 4 हो रखी है और सबकी साथ में हो रखी है। तो बस अब हम, it's already 10:20, no it's 10:30 and we are leaving now, and I just hope we reach safely. और पता नहीं कब तक पहुँचेंगे हम, 4 घंटे तो लगेंगे यहाँ से, तो आई थिंक 2-3 तो बजेंगे, 3 आई थिंक बजेंगे। एंड I'm just waiting for everybody to come so we could leave from here. So yeah, we have, like, somebody came, so he asked me to roll down the window and I was obviously not able to do it because the door is locked, the car is locked. So he opened the door because the car was locked but it was not started. Yeah, because you need the key to, you know, rotate the key and start the, what do you call it, I don't know, whatever. So the car was open from outside, so he just, and मेरी फट के 4 हो गई। he asked me in the गाँव की लैंग्वेज, मुझे नहीं पता वो कैसे बोलता है। so मैं जैसे ना समझ पाई, he asked कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, and I'm like I'm going my home, and he's like क्यों, I'm like going, मैंने को लगा he didn't understood, so I just said Delhi. So then he said कि why are you going to Delhi, I'm like brother what the fuck. So मैंने उसको बोला कि I am going to Delhi because मेरा कॉलेज है, because मेरे को उस दिमाग में उस टाइम पे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, तो मैंने कहा मेरा कॉलेज है इसलिए मुझे जाना है दिल्ली। Then he asked कि why didn't you take leaves, and I'm like no. So it was like okay, and then his friend was also there. It was really weird. It was really weird, really weird. And the fact I know him and he's something, he's someone I know. And so one thing that I'm so fucking grateful for everybody, like I want to thank each and everybody who commented, liked and watched my video, because it means a lot to me. Even though if you're not liked, it's okay, but even if you watched, from all the 65 people, the current count that I've seen, it's 65, all the 65 people, I love you so much and I thank all of you to watch it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, love you.